Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus. This is line and angles and also solve some important issue. Now in today's class we are going to take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is exponents and real number. Exponents and real number. This is one of the most important chapter topic of your syllabus, and you already know about some important laws of exponent, which is already discussed in some previous classes. Let's see. First we discuss some important basic laws of exponents. After that we take and solve questions based on them. And the first law is, first of all we discuss about the laws of exponents. Okay, some basic laws of exponents are like a power m into a power n we can write as a power m plus n. This is also a very important laws of exponents. Second one is what? The a power m upon a power n we can write a power m minus n. Okay, and also we have a very important a power m to whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. These are the very important laws of exponents. And also we have, if we have a power n is equal to a power n, if both sides their bases are same, then we can write on comparing by them to m is equal to n, we can write, dear students. Similarly, if we have a upon b to whole power minus n, then we can write b upon a to whole power plus n. This is also a very important laws of exponents. And also we have, if we have a power minus n, then we can write 1 upon a to the power plus n. And if we have 1 upon a to the power minus n, then we can write a to the power plus n. So these are some very important and special laws of exponents, and based on each and every laws we solve some important questions related to your syllabus. So let's see, dear students, some important questions related to that topic. Let's see. Now, dear students, we take some important questions related to that topic. Let's see. If, and your question is, if x is equal to 2 to the power 1 upon 3 plus 2 to the power 2 upon 3, then find the value of, then find the value of x cube minus 6x, x cube minus 6x. So let's see what is the process to solve that question. Let's see its solution, dear friends. First of all, we have x is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3. We have these six expressions. Now, dear student, we just finding the value of x cube minus 6x. Dear student, x cube comes when we taking a square cube both side, na. Now here for that question we taking cube both side, and here we apply the identity a cube plus b cube, that is a cube plus b in one bracket. Okay, a plus b in one bracket, and in another bracket this is, sorry, a plus b whole cube. Here we apply now a plus b whole cube is equal to what? This is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. So for in that question we apply that identity. Let's see how. Look, first of all, we write taking cube both side we get. Okay, this one taking cube both side we get. So we get as what? This is x cube is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3 to whole cube to whole cube. Now we expanded it. So now we can write as now a cube a plus b whole cube. This is a cube plus we take equation number 1. Okay, b cube means a cube plus b cube plus 2ab. So means what? Sorry, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. A means 2a and b means 3ab. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. A plus b means 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3. Now we simplify them. Let's see. So we have this is x cube is equal to, dear friends, this is 2 is left here, 3 cancel to each other, so 2 2 this is 4 is left here. Okay, plus 3 times into here bases is same, to power is to be added, so we have our 2 to the power 3 upon 3, that is 1 is left, and here we write 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3 as it is. Now look, so we have this is x cube is equal to 4 to 6 plus 3 2s are 6 into, now here look, you are now using equation 1, dear friends, because of inequality. The value of 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3 is what? X. The value of this expression is what? X. So here 3 to the 6 into x. So we have this is x cube is equal to 6 plus 6x. Now look, dear friend, we just find the value of x cube minus 6x. So we just transfer plus 6x that side, because of we must be finding the value of x cube minus 6x now. So we just transferring left hand side. So look, we have this is x cube plus 6x transfer that side, this is minus 6, and in that side 6 is left. So thus, dear friend, the value of x cube minus 6x is what? 6. So 6 is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, 6 is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear friends, you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please, dear friend, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Let's see once more time. First of all, we have the relation, and we just find the value of x cube minus 6x. So now we taking cube both side. Now we apply the identity a plus b whole cube, and now expanded it, and after simplify them, so we get the value of so we get that expression. Now here we using equation 1, we put the value of this expression is what? X. Now transferring 6x left hand side, so we get the required solution. Now this one we take and solve some other important questions based on this topic. Let's see. We take a very important question, and your question is, dear friends, if 27 to the power x is equal to 9 upon 3 to the power x, okay, if 27 to the power x is equal to 9 upon 3 to the power x, then find the value of x. Now let's see it solution. Now let's see its solution. Okay, dear friends, now look. So we have, first of all, dear friends, we have this is 27 to the power x is equal to 9 upon 3 to the power x. We have the given relation. Now we do their cross multiplication. So we have 27 to the power, we can write 27 to the power x into 3 to the power x is equal to, that is 9, is equal to, that is 9. Now look what I do. So dear friends, first of all we can write 27 as 3 power 3 to whole power x and 3 power x right as it is, okay, and in right hand side we can write 9 as 3 square. We can write 9 as 3 square. So look, we have, this is 3 power 3x into 3 power x is equal to, that is 3 power 2. Now this is bases are same, so power is to be added, so we can write as 3 power 3x plus x is equal to 3 power 2, so we can write as 3 power 4x is equal to 3 power 2. Now in both the side base is same, so we just on comparing both side. Now on comparing both side we get, now on comparing both side we get, that is 4x is equal to 2, that the x is equal to 2 upon 4, 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, thus the value of x is equal to 1 upon 2. This is the required solution of the given question. This is the required solution. So in this way, dear student, you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important questions, dear students. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. Now, dear students, we take and solve some other important questions based on this topic. Let's see. Now we take a very important question. Find the value of the expressions. Your question is, find the value of the expression 5 to the power n plus 2 minus 6 into 5 to the power n plus 1 upon 13 into 5 to the power n, 13 into 5 to the power n minus 2 into 5 to the power n plus 1. We find the value of the given. Yes. Look, dear students, this is a very important question of your syllabus. Just find the value of the given expression. Now let's see its solution. Look, so first of all, given expression we write as given expression, and your expression is 15 to the power n plus 2 minus 6 into 5 to the power n plus 1 divided by 13 into 5 to the power n minus 2 into 5 to the power n plus 1. Now, in both the numerator and denominator student, we just apply the laws of exponents. We just apply the laws of exponents. Let's see. What is the laws of exponent? Look, so first of all, we can write as, we can write 15 to the power n into 15 to the power 2 minus 6 into, we can write, 5 or 15? 5 is there, okay? This is 5 is there. Yes. So now here 6 into, this is 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 1. We just write in this way because of if bases are same, then power is to be added. Okay, so we can write in this way and divided by what? This is 13 into 5 to the power n, write as it is, minus 2 into 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 1. Now in both the numerator and denominator we take 5 to the power n is common. So if we take 5 power n is common, then we get, this is 5 is 25 is there, minus 6 into 5 is there, upon, now in denominator we take 5 power n is common, so we get 13 minus 2 into 5. Okay, students, if we take the common 5 to the power n in both the numerator and denominator, then we get this expression. Now look, here 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n what cancel to each other, so we get what? 25 minus 6 5 is 30 divided by 13 minus 5 to the 10. Now we get 25 minus 30, that is minus 5 is left, upon this is 13 minus 10, that is 3. So the required solution of the given expression is minus 5 upon 3. Okay, so this is the required solution of the given expression. So dear student, in this way you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important topic of your syllabus. Okay, now dear student, we take and solve some other important question based on this. And the question is, if, this is a very important question, if 3 to the power 2x minus 8 upon 225 is equal to 5 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power x, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Now look, now let's see the solution. What I do for that question, dear friends? So just first of all, we can write in this way. We can write 225 as this is the factor of look, if we do the prime factorization of 225, so we get what? 5 2 the 5 4 the 20. Okay, dear student, 5 4 the 25. Then again by 5 9. Then 3 3 the, then 3 1 the. So we can write as 3 power 2 into 5 power 2. Okay, is equal to, this is 5 power 3 upon 5 to the power x. Now we do the we collect the bases. Collect the bases. So we can write, dear friend, we can write, now we can write, look, this is 3 power 2x minus 8 into 3 power minus into 5 to the power x is there, is equal to, this is 5 power 3 into 5 power 2 into 3 power 2. So now we can write 3 power 2x minus 8 into 5 power x, okay, is equal to, this is 5 to the power 5 into 3 power 2, 3 power 2. Okay, now look, dear friend, what I do. So first of all we separate the power of 3 and 5. So now look, now on comparing the power of 3 and 5, so now on comparing both sides we get what? The 3 2, this is 2x minus 8 is equal to 2. So we get 2x is equal to 10, that is 2 5s are 10. So the value of x is what? 5. Now look, if we compare the power of 5, then also we get 5. Look, now look, x is equal to 5 on comparing the power of 5. So thus this is a very important question. So thus for that question the value of x is what? 5. So this is the required solution of the given question. So in this way you can solve each and every question. Now we take some of the important questions. Based on these topics. Now we take one more question. If 2 upon 3 to power x into 3 upon 2 to the power 3x is equal to 81 upon 16, then find the value of x. This is a very important question. So first of all we can write as in this way. Look, so we can write 3 upon 2 to whole power minus x into 3 upon 2 to whole power plus 3x, and here we can write 3 power 4 upon 2 power 4. So now we can write as 3 upon 2 to whole power, this is 3x minus x, that is plus 2x is there. So this is 3 upon 2 to whole power 4 is there. So now this is bases are same. Now comparing both sides, so we get 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 upon 2. This is 2 to the 4. Thus the value of x is what? So this is the required solution. Thus in this way, dear students, you can solve that type of question. So in today's class, dear students, we take and solve some important questions based on exponents and real numbers. So first you revise all the questions and do more and more practices of your NCRT exercise. Now in next class we take and solve the same chapter and some other important question. Okay, now thanks to all.